Hi everybody, we're here today to do a filter clean out on a front load LG washer. You want to locate the filter clean out. You should do this once every month, or in my case, every 6 to 8 years. You're going to want to get a shallow pan to catch the residual water. Pull out the hose, unplug it, and that won't do anything because you haven't done this in 6 years. Put that back. You're going to want to find this thing, turn it counterclockwise. When it opens, you're going to get a little bit of water, and it's going to smell a little bit because you haven't done this in 6 years. You know what? Put your paper towel in there. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Anyway, you don't want, like I said, you want to do this every 6 to 8 years. And when you're done, you put it all back in, Thanks for watching.